So for number 8, which is how many atoms are in 30 grams of aluminum, you're going to take the 30 grams of aluminum, right, two significant figures, times the molar mass, right? This would normally be you just go to the periodic table and look up how much one molecule of aluminum weighs in AMU, but now we want to deal with grams, so we need to deal with moles, right? That's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules, so you can measure that many in grams. So the molar mass of aluminum is 26.98, and then many more digits after that, grams per mole. Since we're only keeping 2 sig figs for 30, we can only keep 2 here. So this becomes 30 grams of aluminum, right? And I put it over 1, so you can see the cancellation, times 1 mole of aluminum weighs 27 grams. Grams cancel. This becomes 30 divided by 27, which equals 1.1. So the unit here is moles, right? So we know that 30 grams of aluminum is equal to 1.1 moles of aluminum. That makes sense, right? Because if 1 mole weighs 26.98 grams, then 30 grams is a little bit more than 1 mole. So it's 1.1 moles times what we want is atoms. So 1 mole contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power atoms. Okay, so moles cancel. 1.1 times 6.02 equals 6.688. Repeating, we're only going to keep 2 significant figures, right, based on the original 30. So it becomes 6.7 atoms. 6.7 times 10 to the 23. I didn't put that in there, so let me add that here. Okay, times 10 to the 23rd atoms of aluminum in 30 grams. For number 9 and for number 10, percent yield is just actual yield, right, which is what you actually got from doing the reaction, divided by the theoretical yield, which is what you would calculate. That's what you've been doing for numbers like 6 and 7, predicting based on one variable that you're given what you'll get out on the other end. Okay, so in that problem, it said that a student produced 5.15 grams of a product. That's their actual production, divided by what they predicted, right? The theoretical was 4.95. So 5.15 divided by 4.95 is 1.04, and you want percent. That's out of 100. So multiply this by 100 to get 104%. Okay?